is God.
Yeah.
So let's take a look at it carefully. Um, Remember now, you breathe the air, you use the water. So Lakshmi, Saraswati, which is knowledge, and so on. The air, the water, the space, the light, the knowledge, and all the elements of the universe, the 108 elements that we talk about in the periodic table. Where can we find all of these elements in one location in this world, working together? You know,
The human body, maybe?
the human body. Very good answer. The human body. So God resides where? Within the human body. Doesn't reside outside there completely. He doesn't reside outside there completely because all the elements are not together. The only location in this world where all universal forces are together is in the human body. And Genesis, the book of Genesis, did talk about that in the Bible. For example, God said He made us in His own image. The universe is an exact image of you. Whatever is happening in the universe, outside the universe is happens within the human body. So if you doubt God, who would you doubt?
Yourself.
Yourself. And if you don't believe in God, you don't believe in yourself. So whether you're a Muslim, whether you're a Hindu, or whether you're a Christian, or whatever, God exists in you as you. And so therefore, you're the one who's going to feel the pain. You're the one who's going to feel the pangs of love. You're the ones who's going to experience the sickness. And so therefore, whatever you do is what decides your life in interaction with the universe. For example, you'll find that people who wear a lot of black clothes have money problems. Now, when you wear black...
That may not necessarily be true for some people.
Well, you can always test it out yourself, and your audience also can test it out. I'm not going to make myself the authority on that.
Okay.
But what I'm saying is that I've done it 27,000 times, and it worked. But what I'm saying is that why would that happen? Physics come to the rescue of that answer. Physics tell you that black gives the light away. And in your body, there are certain nerve endings called synapses. We've studied this in biology. Synapses are like little spark plugs. And when there's a lack of light in your body, the spark plugs expand, or the synapses expand. So the electrical spark between the 2 points slows down. So what happens now, decisions are made bad when that happens because your brain is not functioning fully. So physics tell you that if you keep the light away, you keep that vitamin D away from your body. Because you put a black cloth in the window, no light comes in. So you need that light for the function of your electrical system in your body. So what happens now, I mean, you know I have a master's degree in physics and so on. So what happens is that black it brings down. You'll find people wearing black and spend a lot more money and so on. And
well, in the tropics here, we don't wear a black shirt in the hot sun because it absorbs heat and makes you hot.
If you notice, in Hindu and Muslim religion, they don't wear black during the funerals. They wear white. In Pakistan or India and so on, when someone dies, they wear white. They bury the person in white because they feel that that is the way that the enlightened energy comes and blesses the soul and so on.
So basically, God is within you. That's what you're saying.
Right. God is within you, and you're the one who has to determine your destiny according to that God within you.
All right. Now, the future is always something that people would. There's so many debates around the world, scientific research being done as to whether you can really see the future and all of that. You said you've met 27,000 people. I don't want to say what you're doing, or if I'm privileged to say that.
Let me interject here. Seeing the future has been twisted a lot in the last 50 years. For example, seeing the future doesn't mean that you're psychic. There's no such thing. You know, seeing the future. We don't want to put this like I'm a psychic or
I'll clarify.
I'm a Latoya Jackson psychic line type person. We don't have such things. Seeing the future means that you are able to take a point of where you were born and going to the point of where you're going to die, right? And in between, what are the coordinates? What are the choices? What are the different paths that we can take? For example, if you're traveling on a road. If there are no signs on the road, you wouldn't know where to go. But if there are signs, you know exactly where to turn and where not to turn, right? So if you're going on an expressway and the signs are broken, you will get lost. My job as a Jyotishi means light of God or light of knowledge, is to put up those signs on the road of your life so that you can know where to turn and where not to turn. So it's different from what you think of as people seeing the future.
Swami,
Psychic line and so on.
is this something that you got some kind of inspiration that you can do this, or is it something that you're applying through your knowledge of physics and knowledge of what you're doing, that you've combined that to put up these signs, so to speak?
Good, good, Niaz. You hit the point right in the head. It is something that you can do, not only me, but it's something that you can do. You can actually learn this knowledge and put up the signs yourself. It's not something that is a gift that I have, that was inspired by me. It's just that I was able to learn the knowledge, have the knowledge, which I'm sharing now in books and so on, to be able for you to understand. Right now, we write a patra for the pundits, for example. This has a lot of the information that the pundits would use to tell a person's future. He depends on this book, and the book comes from me. So you can't say something magical. It's something psychic or something like that. It is something mathematical. And this is the point I'm trying to bring to many people, is that the mathematics of 1 plus 2 is really a measurement of our life. And you can measure that. You can actually know the future from that measurement, because you know that x plus y is equal to z. And therefore, if you know the value of y, all you have to do is put in the value of x and you come up with z.
But I know time is going for us, but the world is over 6 billion people, I think. You have met 27,000 people. I'm sure there are many like you who would have met so many other people. Obviously, that's not everybody. There are some skeptics out there who would not accept easily that, because they believe that no one can see the future, no one knows the future. What do you tell those people?
Well, then you'll have to tell